Hey, what's going on, everybody? If you've seen my review of my JK boots, you'll know that I had a little warranty issue, so stick around. I'm going to let you know how that all worked out. And I just looked down and noticed that these brand new boots that I just oiled and just started wearing outside are coming apart. So that's no good. Both sides. Just a quick rundown of the timeline for you. So my boots arrived at JK according to the email I got on June 20th, and they told me it would be 1 to 3 days while they checked them over, and then 1 to 5 weeks to repair depending on the repair. They do try to squeeze repairs in. The timeline on repairs is much quicker, obviously, than getting a whole pair of boots made, but it's nice to see a company that takes care of the customers that are already customers. By July 1st, so June 20th to July 1st, they were back here. That was yesterday. Yes, okay, I still know what day it is. And now you'll get to see what I found. I've got good news, got some not so good news, and I've got what hopefully will turn out to be good news. Now, of course, this is a little bit different lighting than when I was outside and showed after these have been oiled, but once again, they've had a chance to sit for a while longer. If you'll remember, and I'll add pictures here, but the left boot actually had worse separation than the right when I sent these off. So the left boot seems to have turned out pretty good. Pulled that out of the box. I thought, all right, here we go. Problem, unfortunately, comes with the right boot. Hopefully this is going to show up. You can see there's just a little bit of separation there already. And there's more separation here. I mean, it's not horrible yet, but it's a start, and chances are pretty good that that's just going to get worse as I wear these. So, yep, even the upper's coming apart here. Now, when I emailed them originally about this issue, the first thing that they mentioned was, hey, make sure you don't oil the midsole. I didn't oil the midsole. Now, I did get oil down on these, around the stitches, just up here with a Q-tip, just like I did the eyelets, if you watched the other video, just to even out the color. And I tried not to oversaturate even that right there. But I definitely didn't oil the entire midsole and sole. It's not a thing that I ever do on a boot. And I especially wouldn't do it on these because they tell you don't do it. So I told them that was the case. You know, I told them exactly what I did, sent them all the pictures I could, and they were willing to fix them, but I'm having the same problem I had before. So after finding myself in basically the same situation that I started in, I emailed pictures and, you know, I wouldn't say strongly worded, but I emailed JK customer support, letting them know that obviously I wasn't too happy that I sent these boots off with soles separating, got them back from repair with the sole separating again. So at 4:29, I sent my email. At 5:14, I got an actual phone call from Stephanie, I think it was, with JK Boots. And she said that they would like to make me a new pair so I can exchange these for a whole new pair. We'll just start over fresh, which kudos to them. Really happy that they're willing to make things right here. Hoping I don't have the same problem. The bummer of that is, again, it's quicker than ordering a new pair of boots and having them make. I think my boots, I think they said 6 to 8 weeks when I first ordered them. They're talking 4 to 6 weeks for exchanges. Again, they try to take care of customers that have already spent their money. They understand you've made this investment with them, and they want to try to get your boots back to you as quick as they can. So now we play the waiting game again. In the meantime, I bought new Thorogoods. These are actually a D width instead of a double E. Yeah, no mock toe. They are a nano toe, and I know what you're thinking. Gee golly whiz, John, those look a lot like the JK boots that you ordered. In fact, you can even see a little bit of the safety toe on them. So I'm sorry that I made such a big deal out of that. It is kind of a deal, but it's not a big deal. As somebody pointed out in the comments of the last video, by the way, thanks to everybody who's watched that video and commented. I've had some great little discussions on there. But somebody pointed out safety toe boots isn't their main thing. They make boots and they put a safety toe in them if you need it because they're trying to help you out. But, you know, so that may be part of why, and especially with the thinner material in these JKs, but I keep looking down there because that's where the box is. So yeah, I'm gonna get these packaged back up, label on them. That's the other thing with a warranty, they do pay for shipping both ways back. I didn't get a shipping label when I returned the original pair that I bought before I got these with the safety toe and a little bit larger size. So I don't know if they do that for just straight up exchanges like that, but on the warranty, I got a shipping label sent to me to originally send these back to get repaired. Of course, they sent them back to me, and she sent me an email link with the new return label to send them back once again. So stick with me. I suppose when the next ones come, I'll have to do another video. I didn't really mean to make a multi-video series. That's not really my style on this channel, but so yeah, I'm getting some engagement. Some of you guys are commenting on the original video. You can see the link to that in the description. And I guess I'll just keep you informed as time goes on. So I don't know if I've got any other videos coming between now and then, but look to hear back from me in another 4 to 6 weeks, hopefully with great news. Take it easy.